Are you looking for a natural and effective DIY rice toner for glowing and healthy skin? Today, I'll show you how to make homemade rice toner that helps in brightening, hydrating, and tightening your skin. This simple yet powerful toner has been used in Korean and Japanese skincare for centuries. So, make sure to watch till the end to get the full recipe and skincare routine. Let's get started. 1. Benefits of rice toner: brightens skin and reduces dark spots. Hydrates and balances the skin's pH, helps in tightening pores and reducing oiliness. Rich in antioxidants to slow down aging. Soothes irritated and sensitive skin. 2. DIY rice toner recipe: half a cup organic rice, washed thoroughly. 1 cup water. 1 teaspoon rose water, optional for fragrance. 1 vitamin E capsule, optional for extra nourishment. Soak the washed rice in 1 cup of water for 30 minutes. Stir well and strain the water into a clean bowl. Add rose water and vitamin E for extra benefits. Store in a spray bottle or airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. 3. How to use rice toner: daily use, spray or apply with a cotton pad after cleansing. As a face mist, keep in a spray bottle and refresh your skin throughout the day. As a sheet mask, soak a cotton pad and place it on your face for 10 minutes. Before makeup, prepares and hydrates the skin for a smooth application. 4. Pro tips for best results: use organic rice to avoid chemicals. Store in the fridge to keep it fresh and refreshing. Apply twice a day for glowing skin. Always patch test before first use to check for any sensitivity. Have you ever tried rice toner before? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Soul Secret for more amazing skincare tips.